back, everybody. September 30th? Man, it's just, no, this month, it was just like started and now it's over with. And the leaves are definitely changing. We haven't had a lot of rain, so it's probably just gonna be gray and brown and yucky. And then we have sun for the first time in days. Hey, what's up, buddy? So I am out for a ride. I'm expecting a telephone call, and this telephone call is very important to me. I will end this very quickly if that phone lights up. I will say this, I would rather take that telephone call than take a ride on my Can-Am Spider. And there's a turtle. Hey, turtle. I'm just sitting there on a log. I was moving through here at a pretty good pace. I'm not going to say how fast I was going, but it was a pretty good pace. And then I ran into this stuff. 2 cars, one pulling a boat, going slow on this beautiful, beautiful twisty road. So I guess, you know, I can't win them all. Every once in a while I do get stuck behind someone that's going a little slower than what I want to go. Maybe you know what I mean? You know what I mean. Everybody just wants to go fast sometimes. I'll go fast. Here we go. Going fast. Actually, I'm not. I'm doing 40 miles per hour. Come on, people. But yeah, this is the beautiful 664. It's an awesome road, and I almost forgot to hit record and start this thing off. You know, it just happens sometimes. I'm in a weird mindset here lately. When I was working in the shop, so this had to be years ago. I've been at the current job for 7 years or so. I had my 2014 ST, so it was before my black F3. And the manager, assistant manager at the time, his father was like, yeah, you know, eventually one day you're not going to ride as many miles as you are right now. And I think I've come across that this year. So this year I just wanted to ride. Okay, that's all I wanted to do. Ride, take some trips, go out with the ex-wife and just explore and have a good time. Well, as I said, ex-wife, that kind of put a stop to everything. And I was like, oh crap, I'm not going to be able to ride. I just could not force myself to get out and ride. Well, now I'm in a different spot in my life, and I would rather take this telephone call than ride. Isn't that just, it's very unique for me. I don't know what to say, because riding since 2012 has been such a key factor in my life and keeping me sane that I'm not used to not riding, like, at all. So, oh, look at that. Look how pretty that is. It's all pretty. Everything's pretty. As we stand up on the mighty F3T, as we're blasting down the road at a mighty 55 miles per hour. Oh my goodness, people, calm down. Just settle down now. We're going way too quick. Ooh, a scarred. A scarred. And I think I'm going to keep going straight, and I don't know. You know, like I said, I would rather take this telephone call than ride. So I don't want to get out to where I don't have service, because when this phone rings, I want to be able to grab that call. Weird. It's very weird for me. So let's talk about 2-up riding and sharing rides and going on rides with our partners. The ex-wife stopped riding with me years ago, and there's more to it than, and I'm not getting into the whole story, but at first it was, if something happened to her and I, then no one would be around to watch our youngest, which I totally get. And then later on, I think it was she just didn't want to go on rides, which I understand too. You know, I don't blame her for not wanting to go on rides with me. But as you move along in life, is it important to find someone that shares the passion of riding, or do you just keep that your passion? You know, because that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna keep riding. Maybe not riding as much as I do now. Oh, that Honda is burning some oil. So how many of you out there do your partners ride with you? Spouses, girlfriends, wives, husbands. You know, do you guys share a ride? Oh, look at that. We picked up another slow car. Little baby crook. Hey, what's up here, little baby crook? Where are we going? Why am I following the Honda across the double yellow line? Oh, 664. He ready to go. He gonna go fast. Look at that. At least this is still green, but look at that. I mean, it's pretty. I'm just not ready. I am not ready for this winter. No, 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 no. I don't know. I don't know if mentally I can handle a bad winter. I don't know. I don't want it. Oh, I don't want it. That's one thing for sure I agree on. Our winters in Ohio aren't bad. I mean, if you're in Minnesota, winter in Ohio is nothing. But I don't like them anymore. Coming into the little town of Bremen, and yes, I had to open the visor. Do we not have brake lights on this thing? Just the third high mountain brake light? This Honda's seen better days, I would say. Oh, I got the hick-em-ups again. There we go. No, it's only burned out on the right side. Ooh. Anybody need a catch? I'm sorry, a cow catch thingy? Oh, look at that. There's one right there. That's a little too tall. I can't go up and get my picture with Bob. Hey, Bob. What's up, buddy? We are... Oh, I saw that in town. That Ford Bronco. So apparently Lancaster, and I've seen this before, they put up scarecrows, and I don't know if it's like a county that I live in, Fairfield County, or if it's just a Lancaster thing. Bye. How you doing, everybody? Bye. But yeah, I'm going to find these things this weekend, and I'm going to take some silly pictures, and I'm going to send it to a friend because I think it's funny. It's a lot of stuff. There's one. Okay. Climb in his little car and get a picture. Oh, so the leaves are falling. The soybeans are brown. Today's going to be 80 degrees. Oh, I just came through a nice pocket of warm weather. Right here, it is so warm. And I'm on the 2020 Can-Am Spyder F3T. Just living my best life, and that corn's brown. Ugh, that's so yucky looking. Because I know what's next. You know, they chop it down and then it gets cold. Look at that. Shift. This thing delays, and I think they all do here every once in a while. You'll shift a gear and, you know, prepare for the shift, and then nothing happens, and you're like, Some big equipment right there. Get back in your lane there, Toyota. So this is the second part of 664 that I never really ride, so we're between 33 and 22. And it's okay. It's just not as good as the other part of 664. Between 33 and 37, that's the best part. I really don't need to be doing 74 miles per hour down through here. shifts. That way I can come off the corner a little better, and I'm really not pushing it too awful hard. Oh. That Toyota got jacked. Concentrating a little bit, people. Love the sound of this motor. And a lot of it's just the intake screaming, the air. The exhaust on this is super, super, super quiet. So I think about everything that I hear is the actual intake. The air rushing into the motor. Oh, they're going slow. Oh, they're going real slow. The old pine tree right there, man, dang shoot, tell you what. Don't like these leaves falling, people. Why are we? We were stopping like hardcore there for a sec. We'll go into the little town of Rushville. So I will let everybody go. So give me a big old thumbs up for today's ramblings from a fat man on a spider, and I will talk to everybody later. Stay safe. I'll see everybody down the road.